guys, and welcome to lesson 10 of my basic English grammar course. In the last lesson we looked at pronouns. We introduced pronouns. That was in lesson 9. Today we're going to go into the types of pronouns. So we're going to look at personal pronouns. Now, a personal pronoun is a short word used as a simple substitute for a proper name of a person. So remember that I taught you the pronouns are words that we use to substitute nouns. So personal pronouns are words used to substitute a name. Now imagine you're watching a movie and the actors in the movie, they wear the same costume, they say the same words over and over again. That will be boring, right? So you'd be like, what kind of movie is this? So pronouns help to avoid redundancies and repetitions in writing and speaking in English. Now let's look at the types of personal pronouns. We have 3 types of personal pronouns. We have the first person, the second person, and the third person pronouns. And all of them have plural forms. A personal pronoun can either be a subject or an object in a sentence. If it's a subject, it's said to be in its nominative case, while if it's an object, it's said to be in its objective case. So let's look at them from first person to third person, both in the singular and the plural forms. So the first person singular is I in the nominative form, while in the objective form, it's me. First person plural is we in the nominative form and then us in the objective form. Remember what I said nominative is? Nominative means that the pronoun is a subject, while objective means it's the object of the sentence. For the second person singular and plural, both in the nominative cases, the objective cases, it's the word you. Now for the third person singular, we have he, she, they, and it, while for the objective case we have her, him, them, and it. Now for the third person plural we have they for the nominative case, where we have them for the objective case. Now let's look at some rules that guide use of personal pronouns. The first one is the personal pronoun must agree in number and gender with the noun it replaces. So this means that if a noun is singular, the pronoun should also be singular, and then the same applies to the gender of the noun. For example, if I say Ruth is pleased with her results, Ruth is a subject, right? And so it has to be followed by her, shows the same gender, right? So you can't say Ruth is pleased with his results, except Ruth is a boy. She's not a boy, she's a girl, right? Now the second one is subjective pronouns perform the actions in a sentence and therefore should be followed by a verb. For example, if I say they run a profitable business, run is a verb that comes after the pronoun, and that's how it should be. So you can't say they runs, right? That will be wrong grammatically.